Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach complex problem solving, especially when it comes to intricate worksheets. With its ability to process vast amount of data and recognize patterns, AI can provide incredibly accurate and error-free solutions to complex worksheets. I am excited to share an AI platform that exemplifies this capability. So let's explore. So you can see here on the screen, this platform is known as Workify, alternative powered by GPT. It is very simple, very accurate, and very quick to generate solutions for the worksheets. So first of all, you can just click here. It's completely free and there is no account required to access this platform. If you have any text question, you can write your problem here. I have written one question: what are the key components of typical ICT infrastructure? And I just want to click generate. So you can see here the answer has been generated. But the wonderful part is this, that you can attach any worksheet and it will be solved for you. Let me try. I'm attaching one worksheet which is in PDF form. This is my PDF worksheet. I'm going to open it here and let me click generate. So you can see a solution has been generated. All the question with question numbers, with complete answers, with equations. So let's compare the answers with the original worksheet. So you can see this is the worksheet. There are 6 questions here. There are total 16 questions here, including table, including diagram. And you can also see here the 16 question has been solved. Not only PDF, you can also generate from the picture. For example, you have handwritten question. You can scan the picture and upload. Here I have a picture file. I'm going to open it here. So you can see here the complete solution is here along with complete formula, and all steps has been covered. All question has been answered here. I tried with the different kind of picture files. It worked very efficiently. So please try this amazing platform and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.